All right, so the first method we're going to talk about is using a dehydrator. Dehydrator has a bunch of holes on here. What that's for is that's to allow oxygen to go in and out. So when you're loading up your tray, we don't want to stack the meat where it's touching. Because if we stack the meat to where it's touching like that, what happens is those holes can allow the oxygen to go up and down and the air to circulate to dry that out. So we're going to make sure there's about a finger space between each piece of meat. So starting at the edge, work your way around to about a finger space of meat. Once you have that all out, you're going to set your dehydrator at the lowest setting it goes. If it goes to, 120, we're going to put it at 120. If it only goes to 140, put it at 140. The lowest setting you can get, the longer the better to dehydrate. Some people think if I do it fast, it'll dehydrate better. What that's actually going to do is that's just going to dry your meat out versus kind of jerky your meat out. So once our tray is completely full, we're going to throw it up on here on this dehydrator. We're going to push it on, we're going to go to bed, and we're not going to worry about it. We're going to allow the machine itself to do its job so that we come back and have perfect jerky every single time.